everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Laura and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful ring. It may look complicated, but I promise it's not that bad. And as you can see, the result totally worth it. So what are you waiting for? Get your supplies and let's get started. Cut yourself 25 centimeters of wire. I'm going to be using this gadget, but you can use a file to file the ends. Now choose one of the ends, it doesn't matter which one, and make a loop. This is gonna be the antennae of the butterfly. Now get yourself 3 beads with different sizes and insert the beads on the wire. As you can see, I'm inserting the biggest one first. So we have the antennae, the head and the body, a little caterpillar. Now use your fingers to bend the wire up like this and cut 15 centimeters of a thinner wire. Wrap it a little bit at the end of the butterfly body, a couple of times, and make this wrap beautiful. Now you have to wrap one time between every single bead, only once. And in the end, wrap it twice. Now cut the excessive wire and hide the ends. You should leave this longer tail over here, okay? So, 1 centimeter from the caterpillar tail, make another loop. Just like so. Now leave the wire pointing to the second bead, like this. And right here you have to bend the wire this way, to the right. So now pay attention. We have a gap in between the wire, you can see it there. So what you have to do is to use your flat nose pliers to bring the wire as close as you can. And in my opinion, this is probably the most difficult step. Now use your fingers to bend the wire up this way. If you want to make it perfect, align this wing with the loop we made in the first wing. Now use your flat nose pliers to bend the wire again, and this should be aligned with the antennae. Wrap the thinner wire around the tail a couple of times. Just like so. And wrap the butterfly around a cylindrical object. In my case, I'm using a mascara bottle. You know, nothing fancy. So, you can wrap only once, but in my opinion, it's better with 2 wraps, but it's up to you. So I'm wrapping twice. And here I am cutting the excessive wire I had because I had too much, but you may not need it. Now wrap this tail around the base. Cut the excessive wire, and that's it. Now all we have to do is just to fix this thinner wire over here. So we are gonna go underneath the butterfly like this and wrap it twice in this point over here. Take your time because this wrapping is gonna be very visible, so just try to make it beautiful. Basically, what we are doing here is to hold the wing to the ring base. And this is important, otherwise it's gonna break when you use it. So you can cut the wire here, but in my opinion, it's gonna be better if you wrap it a couple of times outside the wing. But again, this is totally up to you, just make it as you want it to be. So now cut the excessive wire, hide the ends, and all done. You can use your beautiful butterfly ring because it's ready! So let me know in the comments down below how you're gonna make yours, because you have to have one. Yeah, you have to. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIY jewelry. Hit the bell to be notified every time I post new videos. Hope to see you in my next tutorial, but until then remember, stay beautiful, smile and be very happy.